What separates a good manager from a great one? The best managers don't just boss people around, they inspire, strategize, and lead with impact. Number 1, effective communication. Great managers don't just talk, they listen, clarify, and adapt their message. Pro tip: use the 3 C's: clear, concise, and compassionate communication. Number 2, emotional intelligence. Best managers read the room, manage stress, and build trust. Try this. Check in with your team's emotion before diving into a task. Emotional intelligent leader is equal to lower turnover, higher productivity. Number 3, decision making under pressure. When stakes are high, hesitation kills momentum. Top managers use the 80% rule. Once you have 80% of the info, make the call and adjust later. Number 4, delegation. Micromanagers burn out. Smart leaders delegate effectively. Ask, what can only I do? Delegate the rest and empower your team. Number 5, adaptability. The only constant in business is change. Great managers stay flexible, embrace new trends, and lead their teams through uncertainty. Number 6, conflict resolution. Conflict isn't bad, it's how you handle it. Use the win-win method. Focus on interests, not on positions. Bad managers avoid conflict, great managers resolve it. Number 7, strategic thinking. Most managers focus on today. Exceptional ones plan for tomorrow. Ask, where do you want to be in next 5 years? And reverse engineer these steps. Be the visionary. Number 8, time management. Being busy is not equal to being productive. Elite managers batch tasks, set boundaries, and protect their focus time like it's a gold. Number 9, coaching and mentorship. Your job isn't just to manage, it's to develop your team. Great leaders ask, how can I help you grow? Instead of, why didn't you do this? Number 10, leading by example. Your team mirrors your energy. If you want a hardworking, positive team, be that leader first. Walk the talk. If you like the video, I'll request you to kindly please like and subscribe to the channel so that we can bring more informative and value-added videos for you. That would be all for today. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.